Man shot in the right eye, licensed firearm holder arrested by the police. Hi again and welcome, this is H0lder TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to H0lder TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. H0lder TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is H0lder TV News Report. A licensed firearm holder has been charged with wounding with intent and illegal possession of firearm after he allegedly shot another man during a dispute on Villa Crescent in Sunnyside, St. Catherine on Saturday, March the 5th. 39-year-old Jerry Savage, a driver of Eltham Vista Spanish Town in St. Catherine, was charged after being pointed out by the injured man. Reports are that at about 8:30 p.m. the two men had a dispute which spiraled into a fight, during which Savage pulled his licensed firearm and shot the individual in his right eye. The man was taken to hospital where he was treated. Savage was subsequently arrested and his firearm seized by the police. His court date is yet to be finalized. This has been H0lder TV News Report, and we'll continue to track this story and provide you with the latest information to come on this. Thanks for watching, and if it's the first time you're watching, please subscribe to our channel.